What's going on, world? I'm Wesley from A Connection TV, the network, the one channel on YouTube where we actually adopt similar connections to spot our differences. And the similar connection that I want to adopt with you is with Tammy Rivera. Tammy Rivera, god damn it, you. Now, apparently, she posted on her Instagram that her baby boo said anything. Miss Waka Flocka is back. Did I say miss? Is back. But we all know why she did it, right? We all know why she did it because she got bum rushed by Joseline Hernandez. And some of y'all are really saying that she deserved it because they've been going back and forth. Okay, but no. She didn't give Tammy any time whatsoever. Joseline didn't give Tammy any time whatsoever to prep. She gave Althea and Benzino like 5 minutes to prep and their asses was still sitting on the couch. But she sideswiped Tammy real quick. So I don't care what y'all say, y'all Joseline, pussy riders, whatever y'all think, that was effed up. Point blank period. But since then, you know, things haven't calmed down. Because when Waka Flocka found out about it, he was a bit upset. And, you know, rightfully so, you know. But she fucked up. She posted on her Instagram, apparently, a picture of Waka with some guns saying that my baby's back. Now, Waka is on probation. He ain't supposed to be around, anything like that. And you know, it is a better thing that he wasn't even there because if he was... I'm just saying, do y'all think that Waka Flocka deserves to be locked up? Do y'all think that Tammy fucked up? Tammy, you fucked up, Tammy. That was fucked up, but I know she was happy that her mans was back. You know what I'm saying? But damn, I wonder what the conversation was like between Tammy and Dad when the cops called. I'm just saying, I hope Waka don't get locked up. I really do. I don't know, something just tells me that Waka is a cool dude. Now, I don't know if that's true, but something just tells me from the show that he's a cool dude. I don't really follow the music and all that, but I don't know. I hope he don't get locked up. I really don't. You know, I really don't. Cause I like the Waka family. I do. Waka, Deb, and Tammy, that shit is off the hook. It really is. I could see them with their own show. But I don't know. Leave your comments below the video and let me know what y'all think. Should Waka get locked up? Is Tammy dumbest for uploading those pictures on her Instagram? Anyways, I don't know. But leave your comments below. Subscribe to A Connection TV. It's free to do. Deuces.